Hey guys! Today I'm here with all of the results from the Floetrol Cell Activator experiments. In this series, we've been taking a look at several different additives to see what we can use to create cells in Floetrol-based acrylic pores. We finally finished all of the testing phase, so now it's time to show you how they compare. Here I have our control pour. This is our 90% Floetrol, 10% GAC 800 mix with the Liquitex paints, no additives. I wanted to give you a base look at what Floetrol can do on its own. As I've mentioned before, Floetrol will create cells, but at times, a lot of us are looking for that extra oomph to create more movement in the paint. Most of the time, fluid artists will go straight to silicone oil to create cell movement, but as you will see, there are several options out there. So, in an effort to save you guys from my typical shaky camera work, I'm going to show you each pour individually, then as a group with the control. We had 16 additives total, plus the 4 combination pours from each group. I'm just going to cycle through each canvas with the activator used beside it. I know some of these bottles have a glare on them, so if you have any questions about them, feel free to ask. After that, I have close-up shots of the area I found most interesting on each pour. You're going to notice a difference in color between the first shots and the close-ups. Keep in mind that the close-up shots were taken outdoors in way better lighting situation than I have in my workspace. I didn't add any varnish to these pours. Floetrol has a matte finish, so your dry painting may seem a little bit duller than you expected. If you want to deepen the colors of a Floetrol-based acrylic pour, a quick spray of varnish will immediately have an effect. You can also help temper the mattifying effect of Floetrol by adding a gloss pouring medium in while you're mixing your colors. Since I'm not 100% sure how some of these additives will react in the paint long term, I'm going to keep them stored for a few months and then check on them again. If I find any issues with them, I'll report back to you guys. I don't anticipate anything major happening, but some things can cause yellowing over time, so we'll just keep an eye on them and see what happens. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to check out the rest of the results from the Floetrol Cell Activator experiments. At the end of the video, don't forget to comment and let me know which ones were your favorites. If you have any questions about anything we covered in these videos, feel free to reach out as well. I've been pretty busy with pours while this series has been going on, so go ahead and click subscribe so you don't miss all that's coming next. I hope you guys were able to get some ideas from this series and that you can take them and use them in your next acrylic pour. I'll see you next time. Bye! Thank you.